For me, art is the ability to express the intangible. Art is a way to take that which is nonsensical and non-logical and transform it into something tangible that speaks to us and other people. Art allows us to connect to others as we can relate to each other through what we create and the feelings our creations provoke in other people.
Art gives audiences a way to access the mental world of artists. Art provides people a tools to share feelings and thoughts.
Art is creating new things and new perspectives on the world.
The walls with graffiti we saw were art, but before they were even painted on, they were just walls, and somebody created this new perspective on how we see the walls, and now we see them as art. This shows that anything can be considered art, and it just depends on the perspective of the individual.
We saw a video that captured a woman struggling in water. While we were watching the video, we could also carry the feelings of the artist, which were transferred through her art. We were either attracted, touched, or scared by the clip, and we found her feelings being very contagious. I think that is what art does to us.
For me, art is who I am. I want to work in the art industry because I have so many ideas and thoughts I want to share. And I hope that by staying creative, I can make it happen.
Art is truly a gift for both audiences and artists.
Art is me. It doesn't matter who you are or what you are creating.
Anyone can be an artist as long as they are comfortable exposing their own truth in a medium that they feel is right.